Hello everyone, today I will show you how to show hidden fillable text box or find hidden fillable text box in your fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your fillable PDF from Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now click on this form option and click on this select field option and see this two of this fillable text box hidden. If you click on this hand option and see this not showing and select field option and showing and drag your mouse and select two of this and click right button and select properties option and properties dialog box. Click on the general option and see this form field is hidden and click on this down arrow and make it visible and see this and select close and again go hand option and see this all of this now visible. Now you can edit and working. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.